Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to MinePros. My name is Jake, and today we are going to be going over 7 traps in Minecraft you can create. Traps are a great way to troll your friends and make them mad, and they can also be used in competitive games to get you a big advantage and lots of loot. There may be some traps in here that you didn't know about, so make sure to stick around till the end to find out. Also, make sure to subscribe instantly to get a free cookie. But for now, let's get right into it. Alright, so first on the list is called the Sugarcane Trap. So what you're gonna need for this is to find like a pool of water, which, about this. This is a perfect size. So all you're gonna need to do is find something like this where you can run past, and then you're gonna need to gather some resources. So let's get them. Alright, here we go. We've got our stuff. So all you need is some signs, some lava, some sugarcane, and then maybe some cobwebs if you can get them. What you want to do is start mining out here so that you can get a nice 2x maybe 6 or 2x5 area, and then you're going to start placing signs underneath the water so the water doesn't fall below. Once you've done that, you'll be underneath the water without drowning, and then you can carry on mining just below. Alright, this should be about good, but I'm going to show you something else, which is why I'm only going to this level. You can go a lot deeper if you want, but I'm going to be filling this out with lava. So we're going to grab our lava and start placing it just below here. So this is actually going to be when people fall in, they're actually going to fall into the lava and die. What I'm going to do with these cobwebs as well is put them above the lava so that they die slower. So they're actually going to be going down really slow, and they're not going to be able to do anything. Alright, this looks good. This is kind of how it's gonna be. So once we're up here, it's obviously quite obvious that this is here. So this is where the sugarcane comes into action. We're gonna start placing the sugarcane right in front of it, about 2 to 3 to 4 blocks high. I'm also gonna place some around here so it looks a bit natural. Yeah, there we go, this is good. Okay, so now when you're being chased, this is kind of how it's going to be. You're going to run past it, and you're actually going to jump just before so you don't fall down the trap. When your enemy is following you from behind, they're not actually going to jump, and they're going to fall straight into the trap like this, and they're going to be stuck, and you've caught them. Next up on the list, we have our desert trap. Now, we do need a temple for this, so oh, here's one right here. Perfect. Okay, let's go grab our stuff. Alright, we got our stuff, and for this one you don't need much. All you're gonna need is some redstone, a redstone repeater, and a trapped chest. I'm gonna grab some torches as well, just so we can see better. So for this one, this is a bit more intermediate. A lot of people that come to these temples will be blown up by the TNT that's down below, which all of you probably know about. But seeing as everyone knows about that, we're going to take advantage of that and trap somewhere else. So once we're down here, we're going to notice the pressure plate is here, but most people will just destroy that pressure plate because they know this TNT is under here. So we're going to pretend as if they've destroyed it and they want to get into these chests. Now there's a lot of nice loot in here, but it would be a shame if one of the chests was a trapped chest. So I'm going to show you what to do right now. What we're going to do is break behind the chest and make a little route down to the TNT at the bottom. Once here, we're going to start placing our redstone until it loops back around to the chest. We're going to place our redstone repeater and then close up everything and then make it look very legit. Now, when the person comes down and tries to open the loot, when they've destroyed the pressure plate, they're gonna go through all of these chests and then be dealt with this. Better luck next time. In this next one, we're going to have a look at the mountain chest trap. So for this one, all you're going to need to do is find a mountain. You're going to need some water, some gravel, some torches, a chest, a sign, and a cobblestone slab. I'm going to use this mountain. I'm actually going to cut it in half so you can see what I'm doing. So first things first is we need to place the chest and then put a piece of gravel on top of it. Then we're going to come around here and I'm going to show you what we do behind. We're going to put a torch behind here and then place a piece of gravel on top. Then the water's going to go above here, but we're going to do that last. Then just copy what I do here. Alright, so once you've set all of that up, you can start breaking the blocks in between. Now you can go as low as you want, but I'm just going to go all the way to the bottom, like this. Then we're going to write a sign that says private chest, do not touch, so hopefully some people will be tempted. Then we're going to see what happens when a noob comes along and tries to break the gravel on top so they can open our chest. Next up, we have an epic piston trap. So for this one, you're going to need some pistons, some stone slabs, and some pressure plates. I'm over here at my friend's mansion, and we're going to be pranking him when he wakes up. So first of all, we just need to find a 5x5 place where we can place our new trap. I'm going to do it right in his living room right here. So what you need to do is place the pistons all around here just like me. Then we're going to fill this with slabs or just any block, it doesn't really matter. Next up, we're going to put a sign here which says something along the lines of dig here because there's treasure. Then you want to place some slabs just at head height, so this is going to be so they can't escape. Finally, we're going to place our pressure plates and I'll show you what happens. I'm going to show you guys another one that you can do on your friend, and I'm going to do it in the same mansion. All you're going to need for this is an iron door and a pressure plate. So what you need to do is find a 2x1 hole so you can place the door, and then put the pressure plate on one side of the door. So when your friend goes into this house, he's not going to be able to get out because you didn't place the pressure plate on the other side. The only way he's going to be able to get out is if he breaks his house, and I'm not going to be breaking my house anytime soon. Okay, for this next one, we're going to be taking it deep down into the cave, because for this one, we're doing a diamond trap. Let's go get the stuff we need for the trap. Okay, here we go. So you're going to need some stone, a redstone torch, some diamond ore, some redstone, a redstone repeater, a block of redstone, and a piston. Oh, and also you'll need some TNT, but I'll get that later. So what you need to do here is first break into your wall so you can start placing the stuff. I'm gonna quickly build everything, but at the end you'll be able to pause and see how everything is built. Let's go. Okay, here we go. I'm just going to place the final touches, but this is kind of what it looks like. We're going to grab some TNT and place it right above here, right there. Perfect. So now, when someone mines the diamond, the TNT is going to be activated, and you'll see what happens. Alright, I saved the best till last, but before we show it, I have a quick 5-second challenge for you guys. If you can leave a like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds, then you will get 5 years of amazing luck. Give it a try and you will see. Alright, let's get on to the final trap, the fake village mine trap. Okay, so for this one, you're obviously gonna need to find a village. This village is quite weird, but we're gonna go with it. Also, you're gonna need a sign and some blue carpet. Make sure it's blue though, because it wouldn't work without it. I'm gonna use this building right here, as it looks quite like a mine. This spot's really good, so I'm gonna dig down here until I get right to the bottom. Okay, we're here at the bottom, and I'm gonna mine out a small place right here. Once we've done that, I'm gonna place a chest right here, because I'm gonna be trying to collect the loot. I'm gonna put a hopper above the chest, and then we're gonna place a piece of carpet just above the hopper. This is perfect. Okay, let's head to the top. I'm now gonna write a sign that says cave down here, water at the bottom, then add some arrows so people know it is. Then, when you look down here, you'll actually see that it looks like there's water at the bottom because of the blue carpet that we placed. Let's see what would happen if a greedy person tried to use the mine. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. If you want to check out more videos like this, then click on your screen right now. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.